Hi everyone, my name is Anjila Tamang and welcome to my channel, and today I'm just going to be chopping off my hair simply because it takes like 20 minutes just to dry it, especially when it's so damaged. Like if you've ever like bleached your hair like vigorously, then you know that when your hair gets wet it just turns into like a spaghetti noodle, and when you're trying to dry it just takes extra long. Basically I'm sick of that and I'm just gonna chop it off. And also like it's really long. Can you see the length of my hair and how nicely damaged it is? I've been thinking about cutting my hair for like 3 days, so I'm just gonna do it today. I'm not gonna go to a professional. I'm not a professional hairdresser. I don't really know what I'm doing. My main goal is just to cut my hair short. If it messes up then I'll go to like a salon and have them fix it, but I'm just gonna try and do it myself. Just thought it'll be entertaining for you to watch. So my plan is to go about shoulder length. That'll be cutting about, how much my hair? Like this much. See how damaged it is? Oh my god. That's about it. Any other reasons why I want to cut it? Not really. Oh, also it takes a very long time to style it as well. Like just doing half of my hair, just like doing the top section of my hair, my arm gets so tired and I need like a nap. So my thought is if I have short hair it will take me less time to style it, and I would style it more as well, because for the past 6 months I haven't really been bothered to like style my hair, like straighten it or curl it. The last time I styled it was like in my gymming video where I curled it, but any time before that was probably like 3 months before. Anyway, hopefully shorter hair means less maintenance and easier life. Here's my plan. I'm just gonna tie up my hair like the length that I want at the back. I'm just gonna, you know, just shave it off. I also do have this hairdressing scissors. I don't know how good it is, but let's see. I'm gonna start off by combing my hair. Where's my hairbrush at? Got it! So I'm just gonna brush my hair. Even just to brush my hair I have to section it off. Can you hear my hair break? Every time I brush my hair, that's how damaged it is. I bleached my hair 4 times. Hopefully when my hair is short I won't have to deal with any naughty hairs. Naughty hairs. Naughty. Alright, so how am I gonna do this? Turn around, shall I? Hair is everywhere! I'm just gonna take my hairband and tie it up. Okay, that's a little bit too short. I'm gonna get another hairband just so when I shave it off it will still be inside the hairband, nicely like held together. Okay, I'm just gonna move this down a little and then tie another hair up. Use another hairband. I don't know how short I want it, to be honest. I haven't really thought it through. I think this is good. It's not like too short. I'm just gonna do it. Let's just see what happens. I'm scared. Is it doing anything? I can't see anything. I'm just gonna do it this way. Okay, I have no idea what's happening. I can see that it's cutting through. Hang on, let me just set this mirror up so I can see a bit better. Why are you taking so long? You know what? Fucking hell. There we go. Oh my god! I can't believe I did it! Shall I keep it? I don't know what I will use it for. To like shoo off enemies. Get back! Get back! I don't know. I'll have a think later. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Let's reveal how short it is. Ooh! Ew! Oh my god, my head feels like instantly light. Ugh! Freedom! 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 Okay, as you can see I love it already, but I need to like style it a bit more, like cut some little bit of layers so it's not so like choppy. So I'm just gonna section off my hair first. I've already thought this through a little bit, emphasis on little. So I'm just gonna section the top bit because that's like the main section that I want the most layers to just to blend in into the hair. If you don't get it, then I'll explain a little bit later. I'll try to explain it a bit more, but I'm just gonna section this off. It does seem even enough as in like no one's gonna notice the bottom layers. What I'm gonna do is just get section by section and just chop into it so it's not as like blunt, if that even makes sense. Here we go. I'm gonna start off with the back layer first, just taking the hair like this into my fingers. As you can see, it's on a diagonal. I'm not gonna cut straight down because that would create the layer and I don't want any layers at the bottom section. So I'm just gonna get it into my fingers. Oh, I can't see. So like I said, I'm gonna get it between my fingers and just chop into it. I'm not gonna do that much, so I'm just gonna let that go. Get another section and chop in. Now I do have a bag underneath me so I can catch all the hair. Now move on to the next section. So I'm just gonna do this all around for the bottom layers. So as you can see, it's still the same length, but it's just a little bit feathery at the ends. I don't know if you can see that, but it's gonna be more feathery on top, but I'm not gonna have the layers too short. I'm just gonna keep the layers long. We're just gonna feather into the hair a bit more, the top layer. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm gonna do the same on this side. So I'm back with both sections. You probably can't tell the difference, but I can because I don't know, it's my hair and I just did it. Anyway, moving on to the top section. So I'm just gonna split it down the middle. Oh, that was not down the middle. There you go. I'll work with the left side first, so I'm just going to tie this one up. So what I said I'm going to do with the top section is starting off the back again. Alright, I'm just going to section off this bit that I'm not using at the moment. So starting off the back again, I'm going to take it into my fingers as well. Like so. I got this section, I'm putting it straight outwards from my head, if that even makes sense. Keep the length from the bottom bit and then cut straightwards and then feather it out. So I'm just gonna go with that. Use the bottom bit as a guideline and just chop it off. So, and then go back in, put it between your fingers, but leave about like 2-inch gap and then feather it out. So this will create the layers, but obviously it's not going to be really short layers. The longest layer would be about this length and it will blend into the hair a bit more. So keep doing that until you get to the front. There we go. As you can see, the layers are still long, but the shortest one is like just 1.5 inches above the actual length, which will just make the hair look a bit more feathery while still giving that blunt short haircut style cut. Yeah, so I'm gonna be back with the other side done as well. So I'm back with both sections done and I just need to do the front bits just to frame my face a little bit. I'm just gonna take this much and take the same amount on the other side. What I'm gonna do is like take this section right here and then you have to decide where you want your shortest hair piece to be. So if I want it about, let's say, my jawline, right, that's where I'm gonna start and I keep on going down until I reach the very long strand of hair. So that way you still keep the length, but you'll just cut in the bits that you just want to frame. I'll show you anyway. This is where I want my shortest to be, where my jawline is, and I'm just gonna go diagonally, doing little snips and working your way down to the longest strand. There we go. As you can see, it's cut diagonally, but you still have the length. And if you let it go, it frames your face a little bit better than just one blunt straight hair. Same with the other section. It's a little bit harder because I'm a righty, but I'll give it a go anyway. But here, and that's about it for the front section. If you want to go back to any areas that you feel you need a little bit more layers, feel free. I think I'm just gonna go into this section just to blend the front section with the rest of the long layers, because it's like here and then the shortest one is here, so I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. And I'm also gonna do the same on this side as well. So that's all it for the cutting section for now. So yeah, in conclusion, I really like my hair now. My hair is a little bit greasy right now, so I have to go and wash it to see exactly what it looks like, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go take a shower. So I'm back and it's been 2 days. Yeah, it's been 2 days, 2 showers, multiple meals, and a whole new pimple. And yeah, I don't really remember why I didn't film that same day, but anyway, I'll just update you today. What I did with my hair is just I cut like the front bit just like down here about maybe like ½ an inch, just so it's like leveled with these, because you know I cut it at the back, so the back bit was shorter than the rest of the hair, if that makes sense. Like it was shorter here and then gradually getting longer because I like tied it up and then cut it, so naturally this front bit will be longer. So all I did was just get some scissors and cut it just so it's like a straight line, like so, and that just makes the hair look a bit more neater, I guess, but you don't have to agree if you don't want to. But anyway, so far I've been really liking my hair. I feel like 10 kg lighter. I feel like I can run faster too, and maybe like jump 5 feet higher. But yeah, this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear your opinions in the comment section down below. And some other things that I really like about having short hair is the time that it takes to dry it. Oh my god, when I had long hair, like I said in the beginning of this video, it takes about 20 minutes to just dry it, and it's cut down to like 10 minutes. 10 minutes is still a bit long, because like when I used to have like long healthy hair, it took me 10 minutes to dry like what, 20 inches of hair. But now my hair is like really damaged, and like I said, when it's wet it just turns into a noodle, so it takes longer to dry. And yeah, and I do not have to use that much shampoo too. And I don't really have anything else much to say about this haircut. My life has been easier. I feel like I should say more. Like they do in like those commercials, like, oh, my life's changed after this. When my hair used to be really long, I was absolutely miserable. But now I've done the big chop, there's been a big difference in my life. I now own a house. Yeah, I really do like my hair. I really didn't think that I'd suit it, but all my friends, they tell me that I do. Oh my god, babes, you know what, right? I wasn't too sure if I wanted to do it, and I was like thinking, should I do it or not do it? I washed my face with premium champagne, and that really boosted my confidence. Do it, not do it, do it or not do it. I have a pet unicorn, and I just did it, and it like totally changed my life. And now I'm officially the president of Mars. Yeah, that's it for this video. Yeah, if you want to follow me on my social medias, feel free to. And if you want to see more of my face, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.